Hi everyone, I would like to present to you today our range of solar lights. Our best sellers from this fully autonomous class are Specter, Ledison, Tucano and Beetle. Do you think they sound sophisticated? Well, they are second to none, and their modern looks is not the only reason our customers love them. Let's have a look and see what makes our products stand out from the crowd. We call these Light Everywhere range. Reason for that is they can be easily installed using only 2 screws, making them versatile anywhere. You don't have to be a heavy DIYer, as this only requires 2 holes and it can't get any easier than that. You will find in the package your own stencil showing exactly how to drill the holes. All our models come fitted with 20% high efficiency monocrystalline solar panels. This allows the batteries to charge in no more than 3 hours of sunshine. With the help of the motion sensor, the batteries will last up to 10 cloudy days and you will still get a decent amount of light at night. The lithium-ion batteries we are using are replaceable and they are similar to the batteries Tesla used for their Powerwalls. Our pledge for you is zero energy cost. You pay once and you enjoy them a lifetime. Keeping your household lit has never been this cheap. If you'd like to know more about our eco-friendly products, we got solutions for everyone's needs. You can find us online where we cherry-picked only the best for you.